If your heat pump is blowing warm air, it can be a frustrating experience. Before attempting any repairs, ensure you understand the safety boundaries. Check your thermostat settings, air filter, and outdoor unit for blockages. If the issue persists, a qualified HVAC technician will perform a series of tests to diagnose the problem. They may check the refrigerant level, compressor performance, and thermostat calibration. The technician will then repair or replace the faulty component and ensure the system is functioning correctly. Consider the age of the system, the cost of the repair, and the energy efficiency of the new system when deciding between repair and replacement. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the air filter and inspecting the outdoor unit, can help prevent issues. If you notice a gas smell, smoke, or burning odor, stop the system, leave the area, and contact emergency services or a qualified technician. Visit our guide for safe troubleshooting steps and professional repair guidance.